Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the intro, I will be doing a curly mohawk tutorial. This is one of my favorite styles to do. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, let's jump into this look. I love to do this style when my hair is fresh, when I've just done a wash and go. This is day 2 hair. I will be using a spray bottle with water, Xtreme wetline gel, bobby pins, combs, and a brush, and edge control and a little bit of oil. So I'm gonna take a little bit of oil and put it in my hair for shine. I'm gonna start with the fake bangs in the front, just grabbing pieces of hair and moving it forward. I'm going to pin that in the front so it kind of shortens the bangs. Then I'm going to continue to bobby pin the left and the right sides of my bangs to keep them in place. It's an easy fake bang to do. I like to visualize the shape before I start. I'm sitting in front of 2 mirrors, and then I have a mirror on the side of me, so if you see me looking, that's what I'm looking at. I want to make sure each side is symmetrical as possible. So I applied some water and some gel. I'm just going to smooth that into the hair with a hard brush and start pinning my hair down. So I usually work from side to side, doing a little bit at a time. This video is going to be sped up in parts. So I'll just start a little bit on one side and then I'll repeat on the other, and we're just creating that shape with the mohawk with the bobby pins. I use a lot of bobby pins for this look, and I make sure when I place them they're comfortable, they're not hurting me or my hair or pulling too tight. And then I'm going to be fluffing to even help with the shape. Leave me some comments down below if you would wear this look, and what is your favorite natural hairstyle to rock. So with this style, it's gonna look crazy until it looks better. See, one side's formed, other side is not. So we're just gonna keep going. This look normally takes me about 30 minutes to do. If I'm sitting in front of a mirror, I can kind of get done quickly. So I'm gonna work a little bit on the other side, doing the same thing. Water, gel, and smoothing my hair down. To maintain this hairstyle, I sleep on a satin pillowcase, and I can normally get away with wearing this, I would say, at least 3 to 4 days. It will last at least until my next wash day. I do a weekly wash. continuing to pin the hair in place and mold that shape. You see me going back and forth, making sure the bobby pins are secure and they're not hurting me, and it's giving me the desired shape I want. So this is so satisfying to watch the edges get smoothed down. And this ties the look in together. This look you can dress up, you can dress down. It's just a fun way to show off your hair and show off your curls. Super easy to do. I use Lovely Bee's Edge Control. Then I'm going to just add my final touches. And this is the final look, guys. You can't tell me nothing, okay? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.